Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, thank you.
Perfecto.
Thank you for coming.
Mi hablo Spanish perfecto.
Oh, sí, hablas español.
Poquito más.
Oh, okay.
Hola, nice to meet you, Dan.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Okay, this is the key. You one or two?
I'm at 2.
Two probably will take me about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Please put original key. Please take out the original car key and better put in VVDI super chip.
Can you test this one? Perfecto.
So 135.
Yeah. Keep the business card. Anytime that you need any locksmith service, just give us a call.
Okay.
You change?
That's okay.
Oh,
That's good. Hey, thank you.
gracias, señor. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.